Your teacher says submit your assignment by Monday. Does that mean before Monday on Monday or any time until Monday ends? What's the difference between by, before, and until? In this chapter, we'll master by, one of the most important deadline words in English. Welcome back to our Prepositions of Time series. We've learned before and after for sequences. Today, we'll learn by, which means not later than, or at or before a deadline. This word is essential for work, school, and daily life. By means not later than a specific time. It sets a deadline, the latest possible moment. You can finish any time before that point, or exactly at that point, but not after. By creates a time limit you must meet. For example, submit the form by 5 p.m. This means 5 p.m. is the deadline, the latest time allowed. You can submit at 2 p.m. for p.m. or exactly 5 p.m. All are acceptable. But 5:01 p.m. is too late. Here's the crucial difference many learners miss. Before 5 p.m. means earlier than 5. So 4:59 is okay, but 5 o'clock is too late. By 5 p.m. means at or before 5, so 5 o'clock exactly is still acceptable. Until 5 p.m. means a continuous action that stops at 5. Understanding these differences prevents major misunderstandings. By is everywhere in professional settings. Finish the report by Friday. Send the email by noon. Complete the project by next week. Deadlines are the foundation of workplace communication, and by expresses them perfectly. We use by for daily time limits too. Be home by 10 p.m. Finish homework by bedtime. Pay the bill by the 15th. By helps families and individuals organize schedules with clear time limits. A common mistake is being too vague with by. By tomorrow is unclear. Do you mean morning, afternoon, or midnight? Always be specific. By tomorrow evening or by 5 p.m. tomorrow. Clear deadlines prevent confusion and missed expectations. For example, pay your bill by March 31st. This means any time during March is acceptable and March 31st itself is still on time. April 1st would be late. That's why by creates such clear boundaries. Here's your memory trick for by. Think of by as a finish line in a race. You must cross it by a certain time, not after. Everything before and including that line is acceptable. Everything after is too late. Now, let's explore by through practical deadline situations. Notice how each sentence creates a clear time limit that must be met, showing the urgency and importance of deadlines in English. Let's start with a public service deadline. Return library books by the due date. This creates a clear obligation with consequences. If you return books late, you might pay a fine. By marks that critical boundary. Now, let's look at travel requirements. Passengers must check in by 2:30 p.m. Airlines set strict deadlines for boarding. Arriving at 2:31 p.m. means you miss your flight. By communicates this urgency clearly and prevents costly mistakes. Let's move to educational settings. Students must arrive by 8 a.m. This is a school attendance deadline. Arriving at 8:05 a.m. means you're late. By sets the exact standard for punctuality. Now consider important applications. Submit your application by midnight. This is a firm deadline for opportunities. 1 minute late means your application won't be considered. By marks the difference between success and missing your chance. Let's look at project management. Complete construction by the end of the year. This sets a business deadline with likely financial implications. Contractors face penalties for late delivery. By creates contractual obligations everyone understands. Now, imagine medical appointments. Confirm your appointment by 24 hours before. This gives the doctor time to fill canceled slots. By helps healthcare offices manage schedules efficiently and serve more patients. Let's move to reservations and bookings. Make your reservation by Wednesday. Popular restaurants need advance notice. Calling on Thursday means you might not get a table. By helps businesses plan capacity. Now consider family routines. Children must be in bed by 9 p.m. This sets a household rule with a time limit. Parents use by to establish healthy sleep schedules. It's firm but allows some flexibility. Let's look at promotions and offers. Use the coupon by the expiration date. Stores set time limits on special offers. After that date, the coupon becomes worthless. By marks when value disappears. Finally, here's an academic deadline. Complete registration by the first week of term. Missing this deadline might mean losing your place in classes. Universities use by for critical administrative dates. Understanding it correctly affects your entire education. Let's recap the essential points about by. First, by means not later than. It sets a maximum time limit. Second, the deadline moment itself is still acceptable. By 5 p.m. includes 5 o'clock exactly. Third, it creates firm boundaries. After that point, you're late. Remember this critical difference. Before 5 p.m. means you must finish earlier. 5 o'clock is already too late. By 5 p.m. means you can finish up to and including 5 o'clock, but 5:01 is too late. This 1-minute difference can be crucial in real situations. Here's your practice challenge. Set personal deadlines using by for this week's tasks. Finish my assignment by Thursday evening. Reply to emails by tomorrow noon. Clean my room by Sunday. Using by in your own planning builds productivity and time management skills. Excellent progress. You now understand by one of the most important deadline words in English. Mastering by helps you meet expectations in work, school, and daily life. In the next chapter, we'll learn until, which describes continuous actions up to a specific time. Keep practicing and continue your English mastery journey.